Introducing August Smart Lock Pro, our most advanced smart lock yet. With August, your phone is now your key, letting you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. On your August app, you can create secure, temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August Smart Lock Pro comes with Connect Wi-Fi Bridge, giving you remote access to your front door. Like when your mom shows up 3 hours early. Simply use your August app to securely let people in from anywhere. Even if you're miles from home, you can remotely check and lock your door from your August app. And with our DoorSense technology, you can always make sure your door is not only locked, but closed. You can even ask Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant to securely lock and unlock your front door. August is also Apple HomeKit ready, and August is a certified Z-Wave Plus technology provider. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
Introducing one of the most clever and versatile tools you'll ever use, the orange screw. With its simple design, the orange screw is useful in many environments where other products often fail. They're also made entirely in the USA from 100% recycled materials by our family-owned company. Have you ever experienced a tent stake fail in the wind or rain? Had your sun shelter blown over at the beach? Had your dog yank his stake out of the ground? Chances are something like this has happened to you. That's why we created a better product, one that can easily handle all of these jobs. Our patented helical shape has been rigorously and successfully tested in various environments, soil types, and temperature extremes. With coarse threads and a lightweight yet burly design, orange screws are unique among ground anchors and render traditional tent, garden, and other stakes obsolete. Orange screws are so easy to use. Simply start driving the screw into the ground and finish it off with a clear plastic safety cover, which doubles as a T-grip. Even the most difficult soils are no match. Orange screws are available in 2 sizes. They're incredibly strong, and we guarantee every orange screw sold. It's time to simplify your gear and use the one ground anchor that does it all. The orange screw will replace metal dog tie-outs or provide a quick tie-down for other large animals. They'll secure your RV awning in the wind or keep your tent or beach shelter securely where you placed it. They'll anchor a tarp over your tractor, ATV, or firewood. These handy little workhorses have literally hundreds of uses. Our family created the orange screw to help make our outings less stressful and more enjoyable. We truly believe you will love them and use them just as much as we do. They are, quite simply, the ultimate ground anchor.
Hey everyone, Mark Saltzman here. Of course you know ViewSonic for its awesome monitors, like this XG2702 gaming monitor beside me. But ViewSonic is a display company that also makes some extraordinary projectors as well, including this very compact one I'm going to tell you about. It's the M1 Plus. The ViewSonic M1 Plus is an ultra-portable LED projector that fits in the palm of your hand. Yet it can display huge images even in small spaces, thanks to its short throw lens. Plus it offers 250 lumens of brightness and 120,000 to 1 contrast ratio for deep blacks and whiter whites. It's a full HD or 1080p projector that's also 3D compatible with optional ViewSonic 3D glasses. Now, because it's battery powered, providing up to 6 hours of performance between charges, that means you can even take it outside for, say, summer movie nights with the family. How cool is that? It also has premium dual Harman Kardon speakers built right into this portable projector. Along with 16 gigabytes of built-in memory to store your files, the ViewSonic M1 Plus also features a micro SD card reader, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, and ports for HDMI, USB 2.0, USB Type-C, and audio out. And at about £1.50, it's super easy to carry around, whether it's from room to room in the home, outside, or to and from the office if it's to be used in boardrooms. It also includes a fitted protective case and wireless remote. Other features include an integrated patent-pending smart stand that doubles as a lens cover. In fact, when you reveal the lens, it turns the projector on right away, as you can see, so ready for action without having to wait. And then you can position the stand however you like, even if you want to splash a movie on the ceiling, for example. All right, whether it's for work or play, you can learn more about the ViewSonic M1 Plus projector at viewsonic.com. Thanks for watching.
I'm your host, Brittany Cascone, and we have lots to share with you today. So let's get started. You may not have your entire life organized, but with the Drive Car Trunk Organizer, you can finally have your car organized.
A unique and practical idea, the Drive Car Trunk Organizer is a simple way to ensure that all the items you need to keep in your trunk stay upright and in one place. Made from sturdy materials, the Drive Car Trunk Organizer features 13 panels reinforced with stiff base plates. No flimsy sides or bases that can cave in. It's big enough for all your stuff, but sized just right for any vehicle. Perfect for storing a variety of essentials, including travel coffee mugs, water bottles, cell phones, work binders, folders, paperwork, and even groceries. With the Drive Car Trunk Organizer, you never have to worry about your cargo organizer staying put. The strong and adjustable straps lock onto anchor points located throughout your vehicle, helping to prevent it from sliding around your trunk at every turn and stop or sliding off your seat. The Drive Car Trunk Organizer can be placed in the front seat too. It's the ideal storage solution for the business traveler or road warrior. A place for everything and everything in its place.
Can you imagine cleaning being this fun? Twist & Shout Mop is the newest award-winning spin mop that easily wrings out with a gentle push on the handle. The super absorbent microfiber mop head locks in dust and spills and cleans 3 times better than cotton. The swivel head allows it to easily clean under furniture, around corners, and even baseboards. Just toss the mop head in the washer when you're done and dance on. Visit twistandshopmop.com to find out why it's the #1 top-rated mop on Amazon.